have something exciting and new, well, not new to my business, but a new design to share with you. So, see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to OMG & Co, also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. Have to get an OMG & Co sign made. For those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel. I'm the scrunchie creator, jewelry maker, I don't know, whatever you want to call me. Mom, wife, person. But I just want to welcome you to my channel. And today I have some exciting not some exciting too, but something exciting to share with you. My goal is not to edit this video, so if I make mistakes, I'm going to keep going. So, in this bag here, as some of you may know, I have scrunchie cleaning bags, and I redid my design. So here is my new scrunchie cleaning bag design. Yes, 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 I said a scrunchie cleaning bag. For those of you that prefer to toss your scrunchies in the washing machine instead of hand washing them, this bag is for you. Infomercial. Let's scroll over here to, well, I'll go to this scrunchie wall over here. So, let's see. I'm on a tripod here. So let's go to this scrunchie wall over here. And all you have to do is, once your scrunchies have become dirty or whatever, you just grab a few scrunchies. I'm just grabbing random scrunchies here. As many as you need to put into the scrunchie cleaning bag. I think I just stuck 5 in here, not really sure. You zip it up. If you want, you can put your favorite laundry detergent, favorite shampoo or soap to clean your scrunchies. And all you have to do is just toss it in the washing machine like that. And set a timer and forget about it. For those of you that are old enough to have seen these infomercials, I don't know if they still do them, but there was this guy that had this thing that could cook food for you, and you would just toss it in and he would say, and forget about it. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to push that, well, drop that in the washing machine with your scrunchies already in it and wash them. So after they have washed, it is recommended that you hang dry your scrunchies, but I have instructions on other methods and ways that you can dry your scrunchies, and I will share those with you right now. So one thing about scrunchies, depending on the elastic that you use, some elastic you do not want to put in the dryer because elastic is rubber. And once it heats, it becomes soft, and sometimes it will break. But one thing that you can do is use a blow dryer, handheld blow dryer that you would dry your hair with. You can dry your scrunchies on a low cool setting, or you can put your scrunchies in the dryer on a tumble dry. You do not want to use high, medium heat, or even low heat. In my dryer, if I dry my scrunchies, I use air. I think it's called air fluff or something like that. And it's a very low tumble dry. It's pretty much just spinning around with, I guess it sucks the air in from out of the house. I don't know, I'm not a dryer maker, but I haven't had any problems with drying my scrunchies that way. Can't tell you how to do other people's scrunchies when you purchase from them, but I did want to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point today because I am doing several videos today so that I can have some video footage. Yeah. Because we just had our scrunchie lunch yesterday. So we're going to get into the next video that's dealing with the scrunchie lunch. So get your OMG scrunchie cleaning bag from omgandco.com, omgscrunchieclub.com. Also, with our other hair accessories that are coming out that are made of fabric, you will be able to use this bag for that as well. This is not just a scrunchie cleaning bag. Hey, infomercial here. Have you ever put socks in the washing machine and for some reason you're missing one, or you're missing the mate to several socks? Throw your socks in this scrunchie cleaning bag, and then after you wash them, toss this bag with the socks still inside of them in the dryer. I will guarantee you that the amount of socks you put in, you'll get the same amount, take it out, or once you're done drying. But hey, this isn't a sock commercial, or is it? Maybe I'll do some socks next. But yeah, scrunchie cleaning bag will be on the website And if you spend over $100 or more in an order, you get a free scrunchie bag. And once again, for those of you that don't know, it's free shipping to the US. And everywhere else, I try to use the most cost-effective shipping for you. That way you can buy more scrunchies or hair accessories or earrings or jewelry, whatever you like to buy. But this will conclude my video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.